What's going on everybody? Welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you that how you can control brightness on your device. So go to your home screen and you need to find the settings on your device. So here is my settings option. So I'm clicking on it and you need to find the display and brightness option. Here is my display and brightness option. So if you find it, then tap it. Then you can see the control system of brightness. In that section you can control your brightness. On your device you can increase your brightness or decrease your brightness. Basically you have to set up the brightness according to your convenience. But you can see that my brightness isn't changing because changing the brightness during screen recording has no effect on the screen. So that's it guys, that's how you can change or control your brightness on your device. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.